we have to find derivative as a given function, so we're going to differentiate it with respect to x, and that's going to be derivative with respect to x of 1 over x times sine to the power negative 5 and minus x over 3 times cosine cubed. So that's going to be derivative of first term, which is 1 over x times sine to the power negative 5, and minus derivative of second term, which is x over 3 times cosine of x cubed. So at first we're going to find first derivative, and here we're going to use product rules. So we take derivative of first term, which is 1 over x, and multiply by second term, and then we add first term times derivative with respect to x of second term, which is sine to the power negative 5. And I'm going to do the same with second derivative. So we take derivative of first term, which is x over 3, and multiply by cosine cube of x, and plus first term, which is x over 3, times derivative with respect to x of cosine of x cubed. Therefore, we get the derivative of 1 over x equals negative 1 over x squared, then multiply by sine to the power negative 5, then plus 1 over x. And here we're going to use chain rule. So at first we take derivative of outer function, and that's going to be negative 5 times sine to the power of negative 6, and then multiply by derivative of inner function, which is sine function, and that's going to be cosine of x. So then here we get 1/3. The derivative of x over 3 is 1/3 times cosine cubed of x plus x over 3, and derivative of cosine cubed of x. So at first we take derivative of outer function, and that's going to be 3 cosine squared of x, and then multiply by derivative of cosine of x, and that's going to be just sine of x. So after simplifying, we get the derivative of the given function equals negative 1 over x squared times sine to the negative 5 minus 5 over x times sine to the power negative 6 x of x times cosine of x minus 1/3 cosine cubed of x plus x times cosine squared of x times sine of x. That's derivative of the given function.